Oh guys, I'm down in North Carolina and found this at a local antique shop. Huge pendulum. Only 65 bucks. Don't know the brand. Oh, and somebody asked about my Nikkor Bim Bam or Necker, I don't know how you say it, but that clock broke, so I no longer have it. And it's a triple chime. We're gonna see if this does anything after we move this aside. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, silly me. I gotta unsilence it. It doesn't want to move to the other chime, so that's an issue already. It's doing what my Ridgeway does. It's going off like a couple minutes after it should. Okay, well, let's try and, oh, well, there's no weights in it. Or pulleys. So, let's see if I can get my hand in there and lift the hammers. The hammers don't want to hit the chimes. That is the strike side. That's the strike side. Let's try and see. I can't get behind it either. Oops. I'm gonna jiggle the chimes a bit. Yeah, the weights are not connected and neither are the chains, so it's not gonna run. Well, how the heck does this thing, doors jacked up on it? Oh well. Looks like that's about it for this one. This unbranded one. Thanks for watching.